Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming what's producing sound and why it might duplicate. Close extra apps. This prevents loops. Then open OBS and inspect the audio mixer so you see every source. Next, open Advanced Audio Properties to view tracks, monitoring, and device routing. This is where duplicates hide. Make sure you know which device is your mic and which is desktop audio before changing anything. Incorrect choices create more echoes, so proceed deliberately to the next step. Now you'll remove duplicate routes causing double playback. For each source, choose one output device in Advanced Audio Properties. Do not send the same source to multiple tracks unless necessary. If you see monitoring set to monitor and output, change it to monitor off unless you require local monitoring. Also check Windows sound settings for virtual cables or stereo mix. Disable any that mirror audio into OBS. Once done, test with a short recording to confirm the duplicate is gone. Finish by doing targeted tests. Record 10-20 seconds while speaking and playing system sound. Listen for doubling. If present, mute each source in turn to isolate which one duplicates. Often a repeated virtual device or stereo mix is the culprit. If you can't find it, reset OBS audio settings or remove and re-add audio sources to clear misconfigurations. Troubleshooting tip. Enable and watch the audio meters while toggling devices. Visual levels reveal duplicated inputs faster than listening alone.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.